Hello gamers, today we are going to do Among Us crewmates. So we have 8-pack. So today we have 6 crewmates. Every box has 2 crewmates. And we don't have all of these, so let's unbox it. Let's unbox it. And look what we got. Look what we got. Pop the first one out. Yeah, we got the imposter. Perfect. Whoa. Ah. Look. Easy. Tape. He's like, look. He's the imposter. So we have these 2. We have a devil red. We have this one. There's a fudge around his head. And we have can't tell. We have this, a ghost. We have a ghost. Wait. I'm trying to get that one out. Will you help me? So, can somebody please help me? Okay, got this one out. And these 2 are really stuck. I guess I gotta push them out. What? Why? Yeah. Will somebody please help me loose? Oh, there it goes. There it goes. We have a ghost. And we also have this guy. Last one, and then the hats. Yeah. Get him. And lastly now, the hats. Make eggs and bacon. Slime. There we go. Okay. So look, it's like way, and then like, or you could put like hat. You could put. So some of them we can put our hats on, like ninja thing. Why? Okay. So I made a board, so kind of like What's going on here? Oh no. Imposter wins. The devil can fight him and kill. Yeah. What just happened? They are stamps. They are stamps. Some of them are stamps. They're stamps. This one is a stamp. They're stamps of what their character looks like. So that's cool. And look. So, yeah. Okay, so pie. And if you might like this toy, if you're into action figures or stamps, you might really want to get this pack. And there's a cutout on the back. And it's pretty cool. You can like cut out the ship. And yeah, it's pretty cool. You might like it if you like Among Us. And they even have tiny hidden stamps. I can take one off for you to show you. This is just for example. William Gamer out.